can you make money when there's nobody around all day? With so few people around, how can you possibly make money? Hey, what is he doing right now? He's testing right now. We conduct rigorous testing on all machines before they leave the factory to ensure they reach customers in perfect condition with no issues. Any malfunctions should be addressed within the company. Hence, we conduct simulated purchase tests to imitate real buying processes. We walk through all these processes to ensure the machines work flawlessly when they come out in the end. That's the final outcome. Oh, the spoon is still sticking on the back like this. So honestly, do we have anyone buying this machine with accessories to go back? Well, when it comes to running your own business, you have to handle it yourself. This machine, on the other hand, requires minimal human intervention, has low wear and tear, and yields high profit margins, right? An ice cream could yield a profit margin of 70 to 80%. But if you place it where there are no customers all day, how could you possibly make money? Even if it's all profit, it doesn't matter how high.